Hi everyone, and welcome to Baby Rhyme Time with Moreton Bay Region Libraries. My name's Liz and I'm very excited to do Baby Rhyme Time with you today. Before we start, we have to do our acknowledgement to country. Can everyone put your hands up like this and twinkle them like they're little stars? Well done. Let's go. Here is the land and here is the sky. Here are my friends. And here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up really high and hands down. We're on Gubby Gubby and on Derby people ground. Well done. Now before we start, I have a very special friend with me here today. Her name's Buttercream, and later on in the rhyme time she's going to help me sing some rhymes, but for now she's just going to sit right on my lap here. Okay? Great. So to start off with, we're going to do a favourite rhyme of very many people. Let's see if you can guess what it is. First, we'll get our fingers like this for our little babies. And then we'll get our fingers like this. That's for our mummies. And then like this for our daddies. Have you figured out what we're singing yet? We're going to be singing Baby Crocodile. So everyone, can you please show me your hands like this? Good job. We'll go baby crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you, out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. We're going to have mummies like this. Can you show me your mummy crocodiles? Mummy crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you, out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Okay, that means we've done our babies like this, and we've done our mummies like this, which must mean we have our daddy crocodiles left. Ready? Daddy crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you, out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Oh, give yourselves a big clap. Good job, everyone. Now, I like crocodiles. I think they're very cool. But where do you think we might not find a crocodile? I think that we might not find a crocodile on a farm. That would be a bit silly, wouldn't it? What might we find on a farm instead? We might have a cow, or we might have a pig, or a horse, or maybe a sheep, or a meow, a cat, or a woof, 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 a dog. We might have those things on a farm, mightn't we? I think so. So I think next we're going to sing a rhyme called I Went Down to the Farm One Day. Do you think that you could sing that with me? All right, great. So we'll start off with, how about we start off with a cow? I went down to the farm one day. I saw a cow along the way. What do you think I heard him say? Moo, moo, moo. Okay. What else might we find on a farm? A pig. Let's do a pig next. Ready? I went down to a farm one day. I saw a pig along the way. What do you think I heard him say? Oink, oink, oink. Let's try a sheep. I went down to a farm one day. I saw a sheep along the way. What do you think I heard him say? Ba, ba, ba. Good job. How about we try a horse? I went down to a farm one day. I saw a horse along the way. What do you think I heard her say? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Okay, so we've done a cow, we've done a pig, we've done a sheep, and we've done a horse. Let's try doing a cat. I went down to a farm one day. I saw a cat along the way. What do you think I heard him say? Meow, meow, meow. So if we've done a cat, we've done a cow, we've done a pig, we've done a sheep, and we've done a horse. Means we've got one left, and that's the dog. So I went down to a farm one day. I saw a dog along the way. What do you think I heard him say? Woof, woof, woof. Good job. Give yourselves a big round of applause, everyone. You're all doing so great. What else do you think you might see at a farm? Maybe we could see a rooster who goes cock-a-doodle-doo, or a chicken who goes buck, 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 or a duck that goes quack, quack, quack. There's so many animals that we could see at a farm, isn't there? But we're going to sing another rhyme now, and this is going to be about one animal we just sung about, one that goes oink, 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 oink. You're right, it's a pig. So can you show me your 5 piggies? Good job. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You ready to sing with me? We'll go, this little piggy went to market, and this little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had ice cream, and this little piggy had none. Oh, and this little piggy went wee 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 all the way home. Oh, good job, everyone. That's a nice little one to sing, isn't it? I like this little piggies. All right, let's do another rhyme, and just in time, Buttercream is here ready to help us sing. So this one is called Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. Now, we're going to pretend that we're rocket ships. Doesn't that sound exciting? So I've got Buttercream, but you might want to use your dolly, or you can just use yourself if you want. So we're going to go zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Whoosh. Oh, wasn't that fun? Good job, everyone. Give yourselves one more round of applause. Wow, you guys are doing such a great job. So we've done 4 rhymes already. Do you remember what they were? We've done baby crocodile with our babies like this. I went to visit a farm one day where we saw lots of farm animals. 5 little pigs. And zoom, 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 where we got to pretend we were rocket ships. Which means I'm going to sing one more rhyme with you. How does that sound? Good? All right, great. So this one is a bouncing rhyme, so we can bounce in our seats. We ready? Okay, so I'm going to go, I bounce you here, I bounce you there, I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here, I tickle you there, I tickle you everywhere. I hug you here, I hug you there, I hug you everywhere. Oh, good job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining myself and also Buttercream here at Baby Rhyme Time with Moreton Bay Region Libraries today. Remember to tell as many stories and sing as many rhymes with your children as you can. It's a really, really great bonding opportunity for you and your child to have. Thank you so much for joining us.